Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy.
What's happening, gang? Back with another banger. Back with another epic video, man. Hey, man, y'all know I've been putting a lot of work videos in. I know. We got to step out a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? But hey, we here, man. They keep me busy, man. I mean, I'm trying to put out the content, man. I mean, hey, yeah, probably got some things that y'all trying to do that y'all probably see me doing it. I'm trying to see some things, and I'm trying, the whole nine,
What?
I'm just saying, man. But hey, look what we, got some mods here, Bud D. Let me see what we got here. Had to find the right size real quick, y'all. There's 7 on that boy. There's 7mm on that boy. Make it shake, man. Make it shake up. 4-4 breaker. Let's go. Come on, let's go. You gotta get out of here. I don't know where you're going, but you gotta get out of here, boy. I don't know why I like the Grand so much, man. I got a whole box I can lay over. My boy got a mat in there I can lay on. I'm just ratchet, you hear me? I ain't gonna lie, man. I had a little glitch in my footage, man. We putting that front split on this C6, man. Let's get to it, man. For real. You can pause that action. Hey, this skirt in the middle right here take a 10 though, man. The ones on this side took an 8. That one in the middle, that boy take a 10. Let me go get me a ratchet real quick. Pause. Take these 3 both sides right here. I hear that shower bed over there humming something. Yeah. GMC Chevy. Yeah, man, that need to put me on the commercial, man. You messing with that? You messing with that? Comment below, man, if y'all messing with the vocals, man. I'm up. We always got that one stub on, man. Come on now. Come on now, little baby. So I think we got something on the inside. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little pin in here, man. Way up there. Down, come on. It's a tough spot, man. And I got the right tool, man. For the job, man. Just gotta get up in there, man. Let's go. Damn, it's a Chevy. Feel like a 4 right now, bro. Feel like a 4 right now. Put it back on there. Oh. Oh, it's right here. I'm tripping. Yeah. That way. Yeah. Like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws open that joint. You got a drill, man. Yes, sir. Let me go size them up. You know we had to change these boys out, man. Quick fix, man. Y'all see that whole bug? This one was tripping anyway. I see that whole bug, man. I'm trying to change the game over real quick one time, man. Okay. Come on now. This ain't tripping already. It's alright. We got something fun. We got something fun. Don't worry. Don't worry. Say it like that. Don't worry. Let's clean these off though. That way we can get a better look, man, on life. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get y'all the game real quick, man. Get y'all a little secret. Don't tell nobody, man. So, when it comes to headlights and restoring lights or whatever, don't go to Walmart and spend $100 stuff, man. All you need is a little a little brake fluid or a little power steering fluid, man. And then apply it on there. Let it sit for a second. Watch the difference. Check me out. Check me out. Leave me a comment below. Don't thumbs me down. Don't thumbs me down, but check me out. Yeah, I see it's still built up on that, man. I already wiped this one off a little bit. Check it out, though. Check them out. Hold up one time. We ain't trying to get pulled over by the police, man. Man, y'all see what it is, man. I ain't trying to clean out that part. I'm just trying to clean out where the light reflects off it. Where the light comes through. Come on, man. Y'all see that? Look at the difference. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah. I don't know what size Allen wrench this is. I just know it's a little one. I had to take that license plate out. That boy got the diamonds on this thing. He diamond bezeled down, ain't he? And one more twist, man. And then okay. Well, I had told him I was gonna change these out, but he had one in there already. Well, he had two of them in there actually, but where that bulb at? He actually had two of them in there already, but the bulb blew out. So I'm just gonna change that one side out right there. I'll lock them back down. And he'll be done with that. He'll be done with that part. Just pop that right back in there. Swimwear. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, we just got the bumper. Now we gotta do the headlight.
It's got something to do with the wire on the seatbelt on it. You sure it's the seatbelt and not the seatbelt airbag? Cause that, you know, the airbag is like the seatbelt too.
Yes, sir. Got two more. We in that thing.
Sometimes mine is so it's like the seatbelt, but it's the airbag. When she put like a seatbelt up, do it go off? Okay, I don't think that's what it's got.
turn the steering wheel the other way, all the way to yeah, man, y'all know what it is. Chevy gang, 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 gang. Split on that thing, man. We ain't got no good angle. Hold on, we gotta get a good angle on that joint. Get that leaf. Get that leaf. Yeah. He all the way around with it. He with it. Yeah. Y'all know what it is, man. Yeah. Look at that sauce stuff. Sauce on serious, man. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for watching my video, man. I ain't even put no outro in that video. My bad, man. But I know I ain't been putting videos out like that in the last probably like 2 weeks, man. I've been, just trying to get my stuff together, mentally, physically, emotionally, all that. I'm good though. But I'm just trying to get to the next level, man, to be honest with you, man. But hey man, make sure you hit that like button, man. That like button look like that, you know what I mean? And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's DJ Chevy Gang, man. Stay tuned, man. We coming with some more pressure, man. I know I've been doing a lot of work videos lately. We finna get out. Wintertime coming. Things starting to slow down. But, hey, we gonna get it there, man, for sure, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Chevy Gang.
Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang.
I keep hearing everybody say 2020 was a rough year, but if it was a rough year, then the years before was rough too, man. Get on your grind, man. Y'all stay on y'all grind and stay away from the negativity, man. If it ain't productive, man, don't do it, man. Come on, man. Chevy Gang, man. We gotta stay strong in the gang, man. Y'all know what it is, Chevy Gang.
I'm a god, please don't say my name in vain. You ain't part of the game, then you can't hang. Busting at the track, all you hear is bang. Booth got scared when my shots rang.